Welcome to Blues 59's channel, Blues Art 59. I got a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria steering issues. This can relate to trucks, cars, Lincolns, Navigators, anybody that has a knuckle steering column that runs out under the hood. I'll show you in a second here. But yeah, Crown Victorias mostly. You have tight steering. The steering will come and go. It gets tight when you turn, loosens up, gets tight again. I'll show you how to fix that. There's a recall on it also. The hood open. Now I'm going to show you guys. It is actually the steering shaft. They had a recall on these. I'll show you the light here. Hold on a second. Ford had a recall on the 06s. I'm not sure Crown Victorias or what other cars. But you can see that down there. You can see the steering shaft, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's the steering shaft. See what light right there? That right there, they corrode and they get rusty. There's an upper part of it too. You can see the upper part right there. See the knuckles behind there? There's a knuckle right up there. You can kind of see it. Look up right above the light, you'll see it. Right there, really bright. That is, I'll try to get you a better light here. There we go. Okay, now you can see it. There. Steering knuckle. Right there, guys. Right there. What happens is, see, Ford had a recall on the 06 Ford Crown Victorias. And I don't know if what other cars had them, but they would dry up and get and rust and break off. You lose your steering. Well, this one was replaced by the warranty, the recall. They replaced this one. But you know what's crazy though? A year later, my steering started getting stiff again. I'm thinking, oh no, what's going on? All of a sudden you'd go to turn and the wheel would get really tight. What happened was they get rusty also, and there's like little U joints on each, two upper and lower U joints on these steering shafts. And if you don't keep those lubricated, guess what? They dry out and they seize on you, or they get stiff. They don't want to turn. So what I tell people, keep them greased. I use lithium grease, or you can use penetrating oil also. So spray that baby down, and you won't have any problems with your steering. Do that once a year, and they won't bind up on you. Before I sprayed this, the knuckles down, the shaft, it would turn and all of a sudden it'd go. It would just get really tight and all of a sudden it would break loose. You know, it'd go. You'd have to fight the wheel. Let's see, now it works really good. Look at this, you guys. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and share if you can. Peace out.